In today's video, I'll show you how to add the share button to your blog post pages in Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, the share button should be visible just under the blog post title, but in case you notice that it's missing, in this video I'll show you how to re-add it. As usual, log into your Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for your current theme, in my case is Dawn, then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the top click on drop-down menu, then select Blog Posts, and then click on Default Blog Post. Now on the left side of the screen, under Template, expand the blog post section, then hover underneath. You should see this option, Add Blog. Click on it, then make sure the Blogs tab is selected, and then click on Share. As you can see, the Share button is going to be displayed at the very top. Let's drag it just under the title right over here. For that, click on the Share button. Let's drag it just under the title. And finally, don't forget to save the changes. And now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to your website, open the blog post page, and try refreshing it. And as you can notice, here's the share button. And of course, it's going to be displayed in other blog post pages. Let's take a look at another blog post. Let's open this one. Yeah, here's the button. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.